Hi guys, Zoran here, and today I'm going to show you a simple and beginner-friendly method to make money on Fiverr. I know what you are thinking. You are thinking you can't make money on Fiverr anymore because it's oversaturated. Well, that is actually not true. Every year thousands of people join Fiverr and make money. Difference between those who make money and those who don't is those who make money, they actually promote their gigs because they know that Fiverr won't do that for them. Also, another reason they succeed is they actually niche down, which means they choose specific niche to offer their services. And today I'm actually show you one of those niches to make money on Fiverr. And if you stay with me to the end of the video, I will actually show you free web-based software that you can use. We are here on Fiverr, and the niche that I'm talking about is photo retouching. And you're thinking, well, I need to know Photoshop for that. Well, actually, yes. But don't worry, like I said, I will show you free beginner-friendly softwares that you can use. When you actually type on Fiverr photo retouching, you will see that many people offer this service, which means there is a big demand for these kind of services. And if you look at it, this person has 363 reviews, 460 reviews, more than 1,000 reviews, more than 1,000 reviews, more than 1,000, more than 1,000, more than 1,000, and so on and so on. Which means this person have more than 1,000 reviews and is charging €5 for this service, which means this person made more than 5,000 euros. And I'm guessing this person offers extras, which means this person made even more money. And if you don't know how to use Photoshop, don't worry. You can actually go on a website called makeup.fo.to, and this website will actually help you to retouch photos, to remove wrinkles and stuff like that. And I will actually show you how to use this website. I already have an image that I wish to use as an example, and I will click here, choose from computer, and I will choose this image. And I already set these parameters and it's now doing. You can play with these options here on left side just to see what they can do. And this is edited photo, and click here on see original. Original. You see the difference between original and edited photo. Now, what if your client wish something specific, like wish to remove some mole? Then you can go on website called Photopia. Now, this website is basically a simplified web-based version of Photoshop. Now, to remove mole, you can go on File, Open. I will use same image, same photo, and then Alt and scroll to zoom in. And let's say I wish to remove this mole here. Right click on Spot Healing tool, then Spot Healing brush tool, and then simply circle the mole that you wish to remove. And Alt scroll to zoom out. And as you can see, mole is removed. And all I have to do now, download this image and send it to my client, and that's it. Now, you don't have to know to use Photoshop, but I strongly recommend to learn to use Photoshop. You can find lots of tutorials on YouTube, on Udemy. You can pay someone to teach you how to use Photoshop, because there is a huge demand on Fiverr, on People Per Hour, Upwork, and other freelance websites for Photoshop servicing, so you can make much more money. Anyway, that is how you make money on Fiverr as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.